work order through on my field service mobile app for this booking here, number 2. I've been trying to get it set up and working, and I just can't get any power to the M20 machine. So I've put a HoloLens on my head and loaded up Dynamics 365 Remote Assist, and I can see on here that I've got a support contact assigned Sally Jones. So I'm going to go ahead and give her a call. Hopefully she can help guide me through getting it up and running.
Hi David, how are you?
Hey Sally, I'm good. I'm out at the work order number 2 for M20. Having a bit of issue getting any power or getting it to do anything really, so I was wondering if you'd be able to help me out.
Sure, no problem. Let's take a look at the M20 then.
Sure.
Okay, first things first, let's make sure there's definitely no power going to the unit. If you could look at the bottom right hand corner for me, you should be able to see a reset button here.
Yep.
If you could push that in for me, hold it down.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of clicked in.
Brilliant, that's good. Okay, next of all, I'd like you to definitely make sure there's no power going to the machine by pressing the start button. So if you click here.
Yeah. Nothing seems to have happened. Is that to be expected?
That's good, that's good.
Cool.
That definitely means there's no power going to the machine.
Great.
Right, so a critical component of the M20 is actually the AKT4000, the machine to the right hand side of you.
This one here, yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, so if you could go ahead and open it, there should be a key in the lock right here. Fantastic. Don't worry about the high voltage sign.
Yeah. Good, I hope not.
Okay, great. So what we want to do now is we really want to make sure that the belt is going underneath the wheel like so.
Right, okay, yeah. Yeah, because at the moment it's just completely off. Let me hook that one underneath. Perfect.
That's brilliant. Something definitely doesn't seem right here. Let's take a look at the manufacturer diagram to see if we can figure it out. Do you have a copy?
I don't think it's in my OneDrive, in truth. I haven't seen this one before.
No problem. I have a copy for you. Let me send it over now.
It's just coming through. There it is. I'll just move it over here.
Okay. I can see the mistake I've made. Take a look at the AKT4000 again for me.
Yep.
Brilliant. So what we actually need to do is make sure that the belt is going round the wheel like this.
Okay.
Could you do that for me?
Yeah, I think I need to move. I need to go like that then.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks, is that, I think that looks like the image that you sent over.
It does indeed. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, great. Shut the container and lock it for me, and let's see if we can get this machine back up and running.
Cool, that's locked.
Now,
I'm meant to take those keys later. We don't leave those laying around.
Definitely not. Now, often when we reset the machine, the power switch on the AKT4000 switches off. So what I need you to do is make sure that this is pointing to the left.
Oh, well, this switch here. Yeah, it seems to be powered off right now. So just flick it over.
Brilliant. That's fantastic. Okay. So if you go back to the reset button.
Yeah, was it this one here?
That's it. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay. So to get the machine back up and running, I need you to hold it in and turn it round to the right for 3 seconds.
Okay. So press it in and to the right and then release.
Please.
There we go. Cool.
Okay. And then finally, let's give that start button a press, and hopefully you should be back in business.
Fingers crossed. Hey, there we go. We've got power back over here as well.
Running.
Fantastic. Right, well, thank you for your help, Sally.